Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Easy here. I'm not going to go into an intro or stuff like that. Just want to get this video out of the way. A lot of you guys been asking me what's been going on. I made a couple of videos basically explaining to you guys what's been going on. And there's a lot of serious things going on, but I will talk about this at a later time. So I don't know if I can actually discuss the situation as we speak, but and no further ado, let's just talk about this because a lot of you guys have been asking me a lot of questions literally about the PS Vita and things and why I don't upload videos towards it. I do upload videos and things towards it. It's just I have not really been in the mood to do like um videos for the PS Vita hacks and things like that. But I think I might get back into it. But I'm just gonna show you some things that I do have on my Vita right now. So let's just get this out. So here's my Vita right here. Let's turn it on real quick. As you can see right there. I'm just gonna turn the volume down. So this is my Vita right here. I still got a lot of games on here. I got Resident Evil Revelations 2. Oh, I thought that was dirt on my screen. Star Wars Episode 1, Jedi Power Battle. We got Resident Evil 3 Nemesis, Resident Evil Director's Cut, Silent Hill. Where is my Resident Evil 2? It's somewhere in here, but I got Star Wars The Force Unleashed, Marvel vs. Capcom, Clash of the Superheroes, Dragon Ball Z Shin Budokai, Dragon Ball Shin Budokai, I think it's 2, or a remake, whatever. Grand Theft Auto Vice City, Midnight Club Dub Edition, Dragon Ball Z Evolution, Def Jam Vendetta, Fight for New York, Grand Theft Auto Liberty City Stories. I got Dragon Ball Z, what is it? Budokai's, I don't know. Metal Gear Solid, this is 1 and 2. Rayman, Ultimate Marvel vs. Capcom 3, Mortal Kombat, Assassin's Creed Liberations. I gotta fix that. I gotta go back to my files and reinstall that file. For some reason, it's just been giving me some problems. Uncharted, Gravity Rush, Unit 13, Killzone. Then I got my stuff for my regular Vita stuff. Then all the extra hacks I got, like for my Game Boy and all the other good stuff. This is fully hacked. Let's just run into here. Like I'm gonna show you right now what it says with Assassin's Creed when I run RetroFlow. So I don't know what's going on with this. I might have to reinstall this back, but anytime I try to run it, I keep running into this issue right here. I get an error code right there, so I gotta probably reinstall that back. But everything else does work. Like for example, Mortal Kombat, Uncharted, Gravity Rush, Dragon Ball Z, Metal Gear. Just click on that. Like I said, we got Snake Eater and we got Sons of Liberty. I love playing this one right here. Or Raiden. As you can see right there. My shit just keeps dropping. Turn this up a little bit. So mine is fully hacked. To the fact that I can change my right here CPU, GPU. I can also turn FPS counter on here. I forgot how to turn FPS counter on it. I'm just doing it like this just for right now. I can't see what I'm doing, so I'm not gonna save it. Just doing it just so you guys can see. Hold on, my chair's like dipping on me.
The Hudson River, 2 years ago.
I look like a face right there.
The mission objective.
Just trying to skip it.
Alright, let's look at your gear.
I think I can use the analog sticks on here. I don't remember it because I haven't played this thing in a long time.
We need to get him.
There's so many damn cutscenes, man. I'm not gonna sound like this because this sucker is hurting my arm, something like this. I'm sure Resident Evil. I got Silent Hill right here. Let's do Resident Evil. I think I might have a save game on here. I don't remember. But I got some of my old games on here. I got Galaga. I got freaking Astro Warriors back from the Sega days. Alex World. I got like all the throwback games on here. Thought I had a save game on here. Yeah, I do. Like, I've been playing this on my PC more. Thought I started with jail. I like my PC version because I can actually skip all these parts. Yeah, I think I already killed them already. I don't remember how far I was on here from the last time I played. Yeah. I gotta put my FPS count on here. I just don't remember how I did this thing before. Because basically I had to redo anything, and this name should have been changed to Resident Evil. I don't know why it's still saying that. Let me see. Controllers. Switch mode, digital mode, analog, okay. Memory. Okay. Other settings. Let me see. Value. This low speed. Fast. Take that off screen. I gotta set the full. That should be it. I remember having an FPS count on here. I just gotta go back and look at it. Cause I don't. I am gonna be making a video showing you guys how to fix your files if your stuff gets corrupt and stuff like that. So yeah. I think it was in one of these settings right here. Let me see. It's actually not here. Could it be right here? Graphics, yes, smooth. No. Keep mentioning sticks on this. And I forgot I can use a PS4 controller. I really forgot about that. Let me see. Plug in CPU speed. I remember there's an FPS count on here. I just don't remember. Just slide this off. I'm gonna do one more for you guys really quick, and we're gonna go towards this right here. I'm sorry guys, my chair just keeps dropping down. I gotta get a new cylinder for it. So I'm gonna show you one game though. I play this game pretty much a lot. I got Pokemon right here. I am buying Pokemon for my Switch too, because I do want to play it on the bigger screen. So I still got Jet Moto 2, Jet Moto, Micro Machines, Silent Hill, Tiny Two Adventures, Batman, DuckTales, Nightmare on Elm Street, RoboCop, Superman, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Tiny Toon Adventures, Tiny Toon Adventures 2, Total Recall, Dragon Ball Z, Shin Budokai, you know, all those good things I like. Battletoads, Earthworm Jim, and you can see right here. These are just some of the games I put on here, but I have a lot more. I got over 5,000 games on my SIM card, so I'm about to pop that in there soon. But I want to play some of this right here, back from the Sega days. Like, this was my game back in the day right here. Let's see. I know that's not the correct file. I hit the wrong one though. That was my fault though. It should start up anyway. Alright, go right here. Start core. Hopefully it started. Let me see. Go back to here. Right here. Am I hitting the correct button? No, it's circle. I forgot. I gotta hit circle, not X. And I hit the wrong damn thing. That's my fault, guys. That was my fault. I loaded up the wrong one. Because I was playing this yesterday night. I've been in and out the hospital, guys. I've just been sick like crazy, dealing with all this bullcrap. Let me see. Core, Sega. Let me see. SMS plus GX. So that's the one I got to put it on. So hit that. Here it is, run. Kept hitting the wrong buttons, though. This is my favorite game right here. Love this game. I used to sit up all night with me and my father playing this game. This is like early 90s, like probably 1990. I was like 6 years old, like in 1990. This game is called Astro Warriors. I know every cheese spot in this game, bro. I used to stay up all day and night and play this game. Just me and my father. I like the laser, yeah. This is the best gun in the game right here. There we go. Got the doubles. It's just your fingers get tired. Got the triples now. I think it's the boss fight coming up now. Those onion ring things, bro. I used to call these things the onion rings. The onion rings that take a crap at you. It's just your fingers get tired playing this thing. Yeah, I think it's the boss battle now. Yeah. It got stuck. It got stuck. No! It got stuck, bro. When I was trying to move, it just kept going up. My fingers hurt. See, it's sticking. Actually, no, it's not. It's not sticking. It's a border right here, and I can't see the end of it. See right there. That's what's happening. Because the screen is too dark, I can't see the border over there. That border right there is killing me. I love this game though, but yeah, guys, that's what's on my PS Vita. Hope you guys enjoyed. I will make some more videos at a later time. And I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. One. Peace.